Hi, my name is John. I'm sitting in a MINI Countryman, and today I'm here to tell you about all the cool features. The MINI Countryman is our most versatile Mini. It'll take you from the surf to the slopes with strollers or coolers, all with distinctive style and a lot of fun. Little surprise and delight. It's kind of on our secret menu is the MINI Countryman picnic bench. So when you're getting ready to put your hiking shoes on, it's a nice place to sit and enjoy the scenery. The MINI Countryman has a ton of versatile space from its sliding bench to the reclinable and foldable rear seats. One of the nicest things about the rear seat is the optional center armrest. So you have space for 5 or 4 and some beverages. And for charging your devices on the go, we have USB-C down below. One of my favorite features about the MINI Countryman is the optional power tailgate. So with one swift kick, you can open the back to load all your gear and kick it again to close. Some people call this a driver's seat. I call it a cockpit. Once you're inside, the sport seats really hug you. Get ready to press that sport toggle and enter sport mode. We have great new updates to the technology inside the cockpit. Nice and modern flat panel design for your infotainment in high gloss black. It's really sleek and gives you some nice functionality built in. Everything you need is right within your fingertips, from the climate control to heated seats. Up top, we have access to your interior lighting and panoramic sunroof. One of the unique features about this vehicle is it comes in a bunch of different drivetrains: front-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, and this really special one, a John Cooper Works. Thank you for spending some time with us today. We really appreciate it. We hope to see you soon at your local MINI dealer.